laging nakamulagat sa under sa tubig.
Guys, not to play with.
Every time I go down, I open my eyes.
Doesn't help. You guys are playing with literally the thing that burns your eyes. You're playing with.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you both, don't do that.
So malapit lang kami sa ano dito sa Walmart. Kakaalis lang namin ng bahay. Mga how many minutes? Yeah. How many minutes are we in the Walmart? Mga 2 minutes lang kami. Malapit kami sa lahat. Malapit kami sa airport. Tingnan nyo, ito oh. Ito yung airport. Hold on. Ayan oh. Pero itong airport na to, hindi to ano na siya? Private, right? This one? This airport? Commercial? Is it
Private.
Private pala. Ito oh, tingnan mo. Mga ano. Mga ano lang. So, malapit lang kami. Malapit kami sa lahat. Pwede nga lang to maano. Pwede lang siya lakarin. So mga 2 minutes lang kami galing sa bahay. Tapos ito na yung ano, Walmart. Tapos ito yung airport. Ito nga. Ayan yung airport. Makita mo mga aeroplano. Girl. You are so pretty. Grabing init ngayon. Ayan o, marinig mo ang ano, mag-take off yung aeroplano. Tapos ito na, yan yung Roadhouse Tech Red. Oh, tingnan mo yung aeroplano. Yan. Nandito na kami. Maghanap na kami ng parking lot.
Love you too, baby.
Ang sweet ng anak ko. Ano sa binumito to, nagsasabi yan ng I love you. Ito na kami. Park na kami. Ito o yung ano ng Walmart. Oo. We are going there.
No worries, girl.
It's less people today. Maybe because it's late,
The
huh?
place is closed.
Oh, okay.
Remember, it's Sunday.
Ah, and it's 6 o'clock.
And it's 6 o'clock.
Okay, nandito na kami. Pupunta na tayo ng inside.
My phone.
Maghanap ako ng aking mga lupa para sa aking mga pananim, bulaklak at mga vegetables sa bahay. Okay.
Sitting there.
Oh, Daddy, push her.
Okay. Let's go, girl.
Gusto niyong sumakay.
Mommy,
Hmm.
you
Dito, oh. Mamili nga rin ako ng bulaklak. Dito, oh. Gusto ko itong mga ano, nasa clearance kasi mura siya. $5. Ito yung mga ano, oh. Marami naman dito, oh. May mga kamatis. Wala akong kamatis sa bahay. Bili nga ako. Magkano ba to? Ito, 18. Meron, oh. Talong.
Yep. See that?
Kunin ko nga ito, oh. Ay, parang meron ako nito. Sige lang. So, kabili ako ng dalawa. So, pupunta na kami sa loob. Magbili ako ng pot at lupa. So tapos na ako. Bibili na kami ng laruan ng anak ko. Wala silang mga mga pot, yun lang oh. Ang ganda. Ayoko nga gamitin para lang sa mga pananim. Mag-ano na lang ako, recycle. She got your...
Okay.
That's what you want? I thought you're done with Paw Patrol. I thought you're into Sprunkies now. Let's go find Sprunkies. Yeah?
Food naked cracker.
This one?
Yes. Pikachu. No, Pikachu.
Look at this guy.
Who's that?
Bird. Look at the Pokemon.
Yeah, you see the Pokemon?
What? They're going to fight. I like the kitty right there.
And who's that? Which one is that?
Oh, that's the lizard.
Those are the two you want? Which one you want? Look, they got a bunny. Oh,
What?
wait, look at the yellow one.
Oh
The
yeah.
yellow one?
Yes, that's a dog.
Okay, so you want the kitty in the...
So dito sa state namin, meron kaming blue law na tuwing
When you touch that,
weekend,
she goes
I mean
looking at you
Sunday,
and she thinks
close
you love
lahat
you.
ng mga clothing.
Aw.
Tingnan mo, nakaano sila.
Mommy,
lahat.
she thinks you love her.
Aww.
Look. She thinks you
So
love
hindi ka
her.
makabili ng mga damit or anything clothing. Kasi sa Blue Law dito sa state namin. So tapos na kami. Nakabili na kami ng mga gulay, prutas at sand. Magbabayad na kami. Ayan ang aeroplano, oh. Uwi na kami.
How was your day?
Aw, she's crying, baby girl. Nakabili ako ng apat na sand. Ang liit lang. Ewan ko bakit wala silang malaki. Mostly, mayroon naman sila.
Do you want to get her? I want this one open.
He's watching around now.
Because of that, people in Walmart. That's what I did in the
Hi.
while you're shopping in the other aisle. Ay, naku.
I didn't
Saglit lang yung ano namin. Ito lang nakamanan kasi yung ano. Ang binili namin.
Come on. What are you doing, little kitty?
Good?
Hi.
Oh, you want this? Madam?
What's wrong with this one? It's not doing it.
Did you
Hey!
pull the... Did you pull the thing? Oh, she said hello. Let's take our garbage. See, they said hi. Okay na. Okay, uwi na kami.
Mommy! Mommy, they're also cutie.
You love your toy? Oh, so smells good. Oh, I love the smell. Vanilla aroma. We should put one to... Yes.
One on the way and one on the way back.
Okay, let's go home.